What's up, guys? I'm doing a little contest to help grow the DropFunnels Online Marketing for Entrepreneurs group. So if you want to take part in this, go ahead and jump in the group. This contest is running from now until December 18th, 2020. So we have approximately 2 weeks. It's very easy. All you have to do is invite members to the group. If you invite up to 10 people and tag them on the contest post, you will be eligible to win a prize. So let's go ahead and look at some of the prizes you'll be eligible for. There'll be one grand prize winner, and then we have other tiers of prizes which we'll be giving out. So if at least 6 people qualify, at least one tier will be given out for each, and multiple tiers can be won if more than 6 people qualify. So let's take a look at those prizes. So once you come into the group, you can scroll down and find this post. It's going to be right here. And here's the prizes. The grand prize winner is going to be getting an ultimate software bundle, lifetime accounts. This is going to be massive value. I'm going to include all the software I have, the top plans on each one. You'll get lifetime value. If you're a current customer, you can cancel your subscription and your subscription will just be paid for, and you'll get a $100 Amazon gift card. So looking forward to giving that away. It'll be wrapped up on the 18th, so you'll have time to order some presents for Christmas if that's what you want to do. Also, the other prizes, I'm going to be doing a custom funnel build in DropFunnels. This is going to be massively valuable as well. I've gotten pretty good at designing funnels, so you'll have one for your business, whatever purpose you want. I'll work with you on that. 5 happy birthday accounts. This is a new software I just became a partner in, and you can actually create these happy birthday messages to automatically post on your friends' timelines on Facebook and LinkedIn. So this will help with engagement. I'm giving you 5 accounts you can either give away or resell. So that's a huge value there. I have a premium DropFunnels funnel template. This one's for a local business. Right now it's designed for people who work in the lawn mowing, kind of gardening industry. So you can customize this for your needs or set this up for someone else and sell them their website. Also, $50 Amazon gift cards are available if you don't win the grand prize. So we'll have at least one of these if we fill all 6 of these prize slots, and there may be multiple if we get enough people engaged in this competition. And we'll also have choose a LTD of your choice. So whatever software you want, I'm going to give you the option to get a lifetime deal of that. That can be hugely valuable as well. So think about that. Hopefully you guys have fun with this contest. I wanted to get some engagement up in the group a little bit and keep things fun, have a little friendly competition, and also grow the group, because I want this to be a value-packed group, and I want to really dive into DropFunnels while we're at the very beginning. They've added massive value already since this thing has launched, and it's just continued to get better and better. The price is still super low, so I want to get people in at the ground level. This would be like getting in when ClickFunnels just launched and being price locked for life, except I think it's even better than ClickFunnels when they first launched. So super excited about this. Jump into the group and join us inside the dome if you're interested. We'll be doing more contests, giveaways, training, group coaching, interviews, and stuff like that inside the group, so look forward to that as well. Hope to see you inside, and good luck in the contest.